We have to get out of here, James.
Look, we can't. It'll be too late.
Why? You do realize that this is a life or death matter. You do know that this storm is going to destroy both of us.
Get over yourself, Rosa. It's just weather.
But this is different. Why can't you understand that? This is it. This is the end.
Rosa, please don't say that, okay? We are not going to die.
Or will you?
How could you? How could you come up with this sick idea of yours? This has to stop now. It's over.
You listen to me very carefully, young man. You do not tell me what to do. I am in charge now. The storm will arrive, and it will cause an endless amount of pain for both of you, and when you see this bright light, you do know that it's about time you die.
We're so sorry, okay? We promise we won't go anywhere near Ronald again.
Stop saying that, okay? It's too late. You have ruined everything. You destroyed everything. Now no one is... Well, would you look at that? It's here. This is it.
You bloody bastard.
You're going nowhere!
A tremble begins to settle on seething skin. She is a maker of parasitical kin. It does not consume like a dancing fire, but it amplifies with a vision of.
Oh my god.
Rosa, hold on.
We're trapped.
You are not getting away with this. I will come out of this mansion and get you. I will finish where I started.